Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super useful for HR pros and team leaders, the Employee Satisfaction Survey AI agent in Delaverse Playground. Imagine turning raw feedback from your team into smart insights that actually help improve your workplace. That's the magic this agent brings. What's it all about? This AI agent automates the whole process of collecting, analyzing, and acting on employee satisfaction surveys. It digs into responses to spot trends, measure sentiment, and suggest ways to boost happiness at work. Why is this a game changer? It saves you hours of manual work, gives you real-time insights, and helps build a happier, more engaged team, all while keeping things simple and actionable. Getting started. Access in Delaverse. Head over to your Delaverse Playground dashboard. It's your central hub for all things AI. Log in and kick things off by creating a new project. Just name it something like Employee Satisfaction Survey Automation to keep it organized. From there, you're ready to build your agent step by step, pulling in your data and letting the AI do its thing. Breaking down the key parts. Let's walk through the main building blocks. Think of them as the puzzle pieces that make your agent come alive. First up, gather your data. Connect to sources like your Google Docs, where surveys live, or even a simple file storage for past responses. It's like giving your AI a treasure chest of employee thoughts to explore. Next, bring in the AI brain. Link everything to the core AI assistant. Tell it to analyze feelings in the feedback, positive vibes or areas needing attention, and pull out common themes like more team building or better tools. Then, set up how results get shared. Have the AI whip up polished reports right in Google Docs for easy reading, and send quick alerts via Telegram to your HR crew so no insight gets lost. Finally, wrap it all in a neat package. Group these steps into one smooth flow. This keeps everything tidy and running like clockwork. Tracking insights and performance. Once it's humming, check out the built-in dashboard for the good stuff. You'll see sentiment scores, top themes from surveys, and even tips on where to improve data collection. There's also a smart analyzer that reviews the whole process, flagging any hiccups, like incomplete responses, or ways to make analysis sharper. It's like having a personal coach for your surveys, helping you track progress over time and measure how your changes are landing with the team. The real wins. Boosting your team. No direct cash here, but the rewards are huge. Happier employees lead to better productivity and lower turnover. By spotting issues early, you can roll out changes that make everyone feel valued, fostering a positive culture that pays off in loyalty and growth. Plus, HR gets notified instantly, so actions happen fast without the paperwork pileup. Pro tips for power users? Want to level up? Dive deeper by adding more data spots, like email surveys or HR databases, to get a fuller picture. Tweak the AI's instructions for custom analysis, say focusing on remote work satisfaction. Or branch out notifications to Slack or email for wider reach. Test runs are your friend. Simulate a survey batch, review the outputs, and refine until it's perfect. For extra smarts, peek into your profile's usage stats to see how efficiently your agent is running. Why you'll love it and next moves. There you have it, a straightforward way to turn employee feedback into a superpower for your organization. With this agent, you're empowered to create a transparent, responsive workplace where voices are heard and improvements are swift. Jump in, build yours today, and watch your team thrive. Got ideas or tweaks? Share in the comments. Let's make Delaverse even better together.